Hi guys, welcome to WP Talk channel where we share valuable tips and tricks for WordPress enthusiasts. Today I have an exciting topic to discuss, which is how to create a child theme in WordPress. If you've ever wanted to customize your WordPress website without worrying about losing your changes during updates, a child theme is the perfect solution for you. So in this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a child theme and show you how it can enhance your WordPress experience. So let's dive right in. If you are meeting for the first time, my name is Sheriff. Before we get started, let's quickly explain what a child theme is. In WordPress, a child theme is a theme that inherits the functionality and styling of its parent themes while allowing you to make modifications without altering the original theme files. All right, so to get started, navigate to your WordPress dashboard, then click on Appearance tab and Themes. So here you will need a parent themes before you can install HI themes. So by default, WordPress comes with 2023 themes if you have the latest version. But if if you want to use any other themes apart from the WordPress default themes, you can, go ahead to install any other themes. And to install a theme is very easy. Just click on Add New here. Then here you will find a lot of free WordPress themes which you can use. So for now, we already have the Hello Elementor installed on our website. So I'm going to activate Hello Elementor for this tutorial. Okay, so I'll activate that as my parent themes. You can also use the WordPress default themes. And if you have any other premium themes which you've bought on Team Forest or any other team marketplace, you can also use the same. All right, so the next step is to create your child theme. So you can do this in two ways. You can do it manually or by using a plugin. But in this video, we are going to use a plugin which is user friendly and it's straightforward. So to get started, navigate to the plugin tab and click on Add New. So here you're going to search for the plugin which is a child theme configurator. That's the name of the plugin. So once you type the plugin name, you can see the search result here, which is the first one. So make sure it's by Lilia Media, right? So click on install now. All right. So once you click on install now, this button will change to activate. Just make sure you activate it. So after activation, then you can see we have the plugin here. It will redirect you to the plugin page where you see all your installed plugin. For now, we only have this plugin installed on this website. So the next step is to go to Tools. You will see Child Themes, select Child Themes here. So here is the configuration tab for the child themes. All right. So the first step is already selected. Is pre-checked for you. So the second step is now for you to select which themes you want to create a child theme for. So in our case, we have Elementor themes and the 2023 themes installed on this website. So you can select either of these two. But for now, we use Hello Elementor. All right. So the next thing you should click on Analyze. So it will analyze. It will check if the theme, you know, it's okay for each item. So you can see the successful message. This theme appears okay to use as a child themes. It also have additional style sheet, which is very important. All right. So the next step, the next option, here you can change the name of the child theme. So here by default, it will just append child in front of the theme name. So the next option is to select if you want to use primary style sheet or if you want to use a separate style sheet. So just leave it as a primary style sheet as the default option. And also for select parent team style sheet handling, make sure it's on the default option, which is the use WordPress style queue. All right. So the next one is customizing your child team's name. So here, what you can do here, you can, change the name of the teams. I mean, your child teams. You can change the developer URL, the developer name, and so on. This is useful for, agencies that, create custom WordPress themes. So the eighth option, which is if you can copy all the parent teams, menus, widget, and customizer settings to the child teams. However, if you are using a premium themes, probably you bought it from Team Forest or any other WordPress theme marketplace, you it might not be possible for you to migrate, I mean, the widget menus and customizer settings if if you have the free version installed and they have a premium version also. So they might not, you might not be able to copy this until you buy the premium themes. Okay, so if you can get, if you have the fund, you can get the premium themes which you can install, you'll be able to copy the menus and widgets over to your new items. All right, so make sure you select this because we want to make sure that we are able to customize, our child team just like we can customize the parent team as well. All right, so once you check that option, the next thing is to finally create the new child team. So just click on this button. So that's it, guys. Our child team has been successfully generated. So once that is done, navigate back to your appearance teams. Then you can see we have Hello Elementor Child as the third themes on our website. So you want to activate this. Now we've activated the child teams. So now we have the parent team as Hello Elementor, and we also have the child Hello Elementor child teams. All right, so that's it, guys. That is how you can create a child teams. If you like this video and if this video has been helpful to you, please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get notification whenever I release a new video. All right, guys, see you next time in my next video.